I'm sure none of you have actually wondered what a keyboard looks like when it's dismantled, but I have. And I had a spare keyboard lying around. Well, now it's really lying around since I dismantled it. I'm going to show you what a keyboard looks like when it's completely dismantled. As you can see, lying on my desk is the completely dismantled keyboard arrangement. Here we have the USB connection. Here we have random parts connected to the USB connector thingies. The baseboard. Yeah, see, I don't have a camera, and I'm holding my laptop upside down. Oh, the baseboard thingy. The random thingies that fell off. I think that's my favorite. I kind of love that one. The chip CPU core thingies. They look like art decoration to me. I kind of want to put them on my wall and be like, ooh, look at that. Yeah. And we also have a couple thousand screws. I think you have a couple screws loose there. Can you see that? And rubber stopper thingies. But my favorite portion would have to be the keyboard thingies. Makes a fun noise. I think I could be in the youth group band, you know, play the maracas in the back. Spacebar. I kind of want to turn the caps lock and the command key into earrings. Okay, you really can't see that, but I think they look cool. Any one of you girls want to help me out with that? And drill some holes and be like, stylish? Power. I have the power. Ah! The Daniel wields the power. Obey the Daniel. So I took apart a remote control, and this is the rubbery thingy that came out. It's so much fun to play with. Boingy boingy stretch. Oh, look at that. Oh, oh yeah. Well, you see, back in my day, when I walked 5 miles to school, uphill both ways in the snow and 120-degree weather. I really hope you are paying attention and counting how many times I said the word thingies. I think I'm obsessed with that word. Either that, or I'm totally clueless and don't know what I'm talking about. Thingy. 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 Beard.